Welcome to my home lab. In this new video we're going to install OpenMediaVault 8 on an Asus Chromebox 3. We start on the site chromebox.tech. First thing, we go to developer mode. You're going to see that in a minute. Then we replace ChromeOS with a full ROM firmware. You see here the commands. In my case, I use Asus Chromebox 3 Timo. As you can see, it's okay. And for the right only screw is this one. This one we have to remove. You're going to see that later on the video. So today we're going to install OpenMediaVault 8 on an Asus Chromebox. You see here the Chromebox, Asus, Chrome. You have a front with USB stick, SSD card and a headphone. Here we have nothing. On the back we have a network, USB, HDMI and the power. If we go here, one important thing is the recovery button. Therefore you need a paper clip and you have to put inside it. But that's for later on the video. You have also a button with 4 screws. Here, here, here and here. First, we have to remove the rubber feet. Therefore, we have a couple of screwdrivers and we're going to open it. If the first time it's a bit difficult. Voilà, that's one. Beneath, you see, we have 4 screws. We have to remove them. One. See them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Be careful of the wire. And you see, it's open. You see, we have one SSD, we have the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card, and we have 2 memory slots. Very important here is this screw. We have to remove that, because if you remove the screw, you can rewrite the BIOS. So take screwdriver and we remove the screw. See it here. After everything is finished, you can put the screw back. So now we put everything together. Now we go to the back. We connect the power. After the power, we connect HDMI to a monitor. We connect the keyboard and the mouse. And we connect our network, because we need internet connection to download the new BIOS. See, power, HDMI to USB and network. You see here the power button and the recovery button. It's now important to reset our Asus Chromebook. So we put the paper clip inside the recovery button, push it, and power up the Chromebook until you have a white screen on the monitor. Once you have this white screen, you push Ctrl D. Now you press Ctrl D. The screen is changed, and you see you have to press the recovery button. Next step, we need to put the paper clip again to the recovery hole and wait until the screen changes. The system is starting up, and you see OS verification is off. Now we wait until the screen is changed. You hear the beeps. You see the Chromebook is starting up, and we need to wait. After a couple of minutes, the Chromebox is starting up again, and we are at the welcome screen. As you can see, I have speeded up the process, so we are at step 2. The first step is finished. The Chromebox is now on developer mode. To start the next step, we have to press Ctrl-Alt-F2. Now you press Ctrl-Alt-F2. As you can see, we are now at the command line. Now we can log in with ChromeOS. Enter. No password. Now we run the command to download the firmware util and run it. As you can see, we do curl LOF https macchromebox.tech firmware util.sh, and then we do bash firmware util.sh. So first we download it. That's why it's very important to have network connection to your Chromebox, and then we run it. So enter. We're downloading. I'm going to speed up the process. Et voilà. We are at the install command. Now we do install and update full ROM firmware. So we press 2 to install the full ROM. Enter. You have to read it because it's possible your Chromebox is no more working. So we do yes. Now I accept. Well, you want to install? Yes. You want to make a backup? No. In my case. Et voilà. We are downloading everything and install it. Again, it's going to take a moment and come back when it's finished. Et voilà. Everything is okay. You can press enter and reboot or power off the system. I do power off, P, enter, et voilà. I booted up the process. I press escape to go to the menu. You see, we have the new menu. Upstairs you see we have an Asus Chromebox 3. We go to boot menu, select the USB drive, enter, and OpenMediaVault is starting up. we choose English, because I live in Belgium. First, other, Europe, and then Belgium. United States, we select Belgium for the keyboard. You have to select the network. I have a wired network and a wireless network. I choose the wired. The host name, OpenMediaVault, it's okay. The domain name, internal, also okay. And the root password, don't forget that. Enter, we retype. Now we select the storage. The first one is a 64GB SSD, and the second is my USB stick. So I select the first one. And voila, the installation is complete. Remove the USB stick and press continue. The system is going to reboot it and starting up OpenMediaVault 8. We are back at the new BIOS. Don't press any button. Et voilà, Debian is starting up. And the system is ready to use. As you can see, we have 192, 168, 129, 120. So we're going to change the computer and log in to our new OpenMediaVault 8. So we open a new browser window, 192, 168, 129, 120. Log in with admin, and the first time it's OpenMediaVault as a password. We log in. Et voilà, we are at the system. This one we can remove. We open notifications, and you see we have updates available. You click on it, install updates, confirm, yes, et voilà. The first time updates are installed. It's going to take a moment, so I'll speed up the process. Et voilà, end of line and no errors. We can close it and apply. Yes. It'll only take a moment. The first thing we do is to change the password. New password. Confirm the password. Save it. And voila. You can reboot, standby, or shut down. Here we have change the password, log out, change the language, and the dashboard. We click on it and we select some things. Save it. And voila. We have our new dashboard. The system has to be restarted because we updated the system. So we reboot the system. Confirm it. Yes. Admin. And created password. Log in. And voila. Our system is ready to use. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up or leave a comment. Thank you very much and see you later.